In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design websites without coding using Webflow. If you've ever wanted to create a professional-looking website but felt intimidated by code, this tutorial is exactly for you. Webflow lets you visually design websites while it handles all the complex code in the background. This is perfect for beginners, designers, freelancers, and business owners. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to webflow.com, then sign in to your Webflow account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Webflow dashboard. This is where all your sites and projects are managed. From the dashboard, click on the Site section so you can start creating a new website. Next, look for the New Site button and click on it. Webflow will now give you a few options, but for beginners, the easiest and fastest way to get started is by using a template. Templates are pre-designed websites that you can fully customize without touching any code. Go ahead and click on the option to choose a template. Now you'll see a library of Webflow templates. These templates are organized by categories like business, portfolio, e-commerce, blog, and more. Take a moment to browse through them and choose a template that matches the type of website you want to build. You can preview each template to see how it looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Once you've found a template you like, click on it and then select it. Webflow will now ask you to create the site using that template. Click on Create Site, and within a few seconds, Webflow will generate a fully functional website for you. And just like that, your website is ready without writing a single line of code. From here, you can customize everything visually. You can click on text to edit it, replace images, change colors, adjust layouts, and add new sections using Webflow's drag-and-drop style editor. Everything you see is what your visitors will see. As you continue customizing your site, Webflow automatically handles responsive design, meaning your website will look great on all screen sizes. When you're ready, you can publish your site directly from Webflow with just one click. That's how easy it is to design websites without coding using Webflow. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and no-code tutorials, and share this video with anyone who wants to build a website the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.